Hey there, welcome back. Today we have the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus. In this video, I'll guide you through how to check Wi-Fi data usage on your device. Follow all the steps carefully to monitor your internet consumption properly. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications. Now let's begin.